To remove or replace the system memory, and to access many other system components, you'll need to remove the rear panel on the left side of the unit. This cover will appear to your right as you face the unit from the rear. To remove the left rear access panel, flip up the access door on the stand. Remove the screw for the left panel. Slide the panel out and away from the PC. Gently pull out on the retaining lever located on each side of the SO-DIMM. The module will pop out to a 45-degree angle from the socket. The SO-DIMM module can now be pulled free. There is a small notch on one side of each SO-DIMM module. There is a small tab on one side of each SO-DIMM socket. To replace an SO-DIMM, angle the module to about 45 degrees and engage the notch on the module with the tab in the socket. Press the SO-DIMM down into place until the retaining levers snap into position over the sides of the module. There are two small plastic tabs on the left rear panel that align with two slots on the back of the PC. To replace the left panel, place the panel on the rear of the PC with the tabs on the panel lined up with their slots. Slide the panel towards the center of the unit until secure. Replace the screw.